Choosing a career and a life partner are two most of the important and challenging decisions. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. And according to AI, choosing a career and a life partner are two of the most important and challenging decisions you will ever make. Both involve not only considering your current needs but also envisioning a future that feels fulfilling and aligned with who you are. Let's break it down into manageable steps to help you navigate these life-defining choices. Choosing the right career. Know yourself. Explore and experiment. Think long term. Evaluate practice factors. Choosing the right career. This decision involves the introspection and practical evaluation. Here are some strategies to guide you. Know yourself. Strengths and patience. Value. Personality type. Strengths and patience. What are you naturally good at? What activities energize you? Think about your interests, hobbies and skills that you have enjoyed developing. Next is values. Reflect on what's most important to you. It is stability, financial success, creativity, helping others, autonomy or work-life balance. Next is personality type. Tools like the Myers-Briggs Type Indicator, MBTI or the Holland Code RISAC can help you understand which careers might align with your personality. Next is explore and experiment. Research network, try it out. First is research. Look into careers that align with your interest. Read job descriptions, salary ranges and growth potential. Next is network. Talk to people who work in fields you are interested in. Informal interviews or job shadowing can give you valuable insight. Try it out. If possible, do internships, part-time jobs or volunteer work in areas that intrigue you. Experience is often the best teacher. Next is think long-term. Future potential, growth opportunities. Future potential. Consider the future of the field. Will it still be relevant in 10 to 20 years? How likely is it grow or become automated? Next is growth opportunities. Choose a career that allows you to grow and pivot if your interests change over time. Next is evaluate practice factors. Lifestyle, financial needs, location. First is lifestyle. Will the job fit the lifestyle you want? Example, work-life balance, flexibility, travel. Next is financial needs. Does the potential income meet your financial goals and obligations? Next is location. Are you willing to relocate or do you want to stay in a specific area? Choosing a life partner. Finding the right partner is equally complex, but here are some ways to approach it through thoughtfully. Know what you want in a partner. Assess emotional maturity and stability. Take your time. Balancing career and relationship decisions. Now first is knowing what you want in a partner. Core values. Shared values are crucial. Consider what matters most to you. Honesty, family, spirituality, ambition, etc. Next is compatibility. Look for emotional, intellectual and physical compatibility. Do your personalities complement each other? Next is life goals. Decision long-term goals like career aspirations, financial planning, children and life partner choices to ensure you are on the same page. Now next is assess emotional maturity and stability. Communication, emotional support, respect and trust. Communication. A great partner communicates openly and listens actively. Are they willing to work through conflicts constructively? Emotional support. Do they support your dreams and do you feel secure being vulnerable with them? Next is respect and trust. A healthy relationship is built on mutual respect and trust. How do they handle stress, disagreements and setbacks? Now next is take your time. Don't rush. Observe over time. Read flags. Don't rush. Avoid feeling pressured by external factors like age, family, expectation, etc. Give yourself the time to truly get to know the person. Next is observe over time. Pay attention to how they treat you and others over time, especially during challenging situations. Next is read flags. Be aware of any signs of disrespect, manipulation or behaviors that don't align with your values. Now next is balancing career and relationship decisions. While it may seem like these two decisions are separate, they often interest. Here's how to balance them. Align goals, support system, prioritize and adjust. Final thoughts. Align goals. Ensure that your career aspirations and personal life goals are not in conflict. Discuss with your partner how each of your career paths may affect your relationship. Next is support system. A goal partner should be supportive of your career dreams, and a fulfilling career should allow space for a healthy relationship. Next is prioritize and adjust. Life may require you to shift, prioritize it temporarily. For instance, you may focus on career growth before settling down on vice versa. Now final thoughts. Remember, these decisions are personal and there's no single right answer. It's about making the best choice based on who you are today and where you hope to be in the future. It's okay if you don't have everything figured out immediately. Both careers and relationships can evolve over time. Thanks for watching.